Hey there, trying to pick the perfect tool to organize your work or side hustle? Today we're comparing Notion and Google Docs to see which one's best for building your digital empire. Let's break them down. First, Notion. It's like a digital Swiss Army knife. You can write notes, make to-do lists, build databases, and even create wikis or project boards. It's super flexible, letting you customize your workspace for personal or team use. The free plan is solid, but some features need a paid upgrade. Now, Google Docs. It's a free, simple tool for writing and editing documents. You can create, share, and work with others in real time. It's great for writing reports, articles, or team projects. Plus, it saves everything to Google Drive, so your files are easy to find and access anywhere. So how do they compare? Google Docs is awesome for straightforward writing and team collaboration. It's easy to use, has tons of formatting options, and works offline on mobile. But it's mostly just for documents and can feel basic if you need more organization. Notion shines for big picture planning. You can manage tasks, track projects, and organize info in one place. It's great for creators, students, or small businesses building a digital empire. But it has a learning curve and formatting is less robust than Google Docs. Which one's better? Pick Google Docs if you need a simple, reliable tool for writing and sharing documents. Choose Notion if you want an all-in-one workspace to organize projects, ideas, or a team hub. For a digital empire, Notion's flexibility wins, but Google Docs is king for quick, collaborative writing. That's it. Try both and see what fits your vibe. Drop a comment with your favorite and let's keep building that empire. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.